Hi and hello, I am Dr. Pandian. In this video, I am going to give some of the few instructions regarding the three important things. One is for biomedical job vacancies and placements, and then I'm talking about the internship training, and then I can able to talking something about the new implementation that available in ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited. So first of all, I am just talking something about the job vacancies. See, more number of vacancies we are received from Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4 and also Tier 1. There are so many vacancies outside in the healthcare market. So each and every biomedical engineers need to find out the particular job, because most of the biomedical industries, they are not announcing, they are not publishing their recruitment into the common platform. They are not publishing that thing into the naukri.com, in the web.com and all. You can able to find out that vacancies through the dealers only, because tier 1 industry 90% they are picking the candidates from the dealers. This is what the Indian market in the biomedical engineering is concerned. So if you are working under the dealer, then that is a great benefit for you to be placed in a tier 1 industry very easily, because tier 1 industry vacancies are filled directly by the dealers only. So if you are able to get placed in any of the company, just think about whether they are the direct dealer of the tier 1 industry or not. Fujifilm have a direct dealer here in India. G Healthcare have a direct dealer here. Philips, Siemens, okay, all these tier 1 industries have a direct dealership companies here in India in the name of Sai Healthcare, SS Medical Healthcare, like that. There are so many dealers out there. They are the best persons to recommend you to get into the tier 1 industry, because tier 1 industry requires the person's feedback. Okay, if you are good or not as a fresher, they doesn't know about it. But through the dealer, once the dealer giving the positive impacts about you to the tier 1 industry, then that is very easiest way for you. So those who are working now or those who are searching for the job, better way you can able to get placed in the tier 1 industry is kindly work under the dealers, straight dealers. Okay, so that is what the best idea I can able to say for you, all the biomedical engineers. And at the same time, in the job role is concerned, demanding is high in sales biomedical engineering, service, application, clinical engineer, researcher, okay, quality assurance, testing and quality assurance people, all these are all not having a demand. The reason behind this, if any city, if there is 100 sales engineers are there, only 5 service engineers are required. Only 4 application specialists are required. So the demand is as per this calculation. Okay, if the company have 10 sales engineers, then they have only 1 service engineers. They have only 2 applications engineers. So they are giving much amount of importance to the sales biomedical engineering. So the demanding job is sales. And at the same time, most of the people in Tamil Nadu alone, they say that I am not going for the sales biomedical engineering job. But the reason behind this, you are getting a negative feedback from the unsatisfied persons. You can go and observe what has happened in the sales first of all. You can get a more number of information and you can get much amount of incentive almost equal to your salary. Okay, so this is what I can able to say in the job vacancies concern. More number of vacancies spreaded over in all over the India when biomedical engineering is concerned. So according to the dealership count and according to the job scopes you are selected, your future might be in a great position. Okay, and then I can talking about the I'm going to talk about the internship and the training. Most of the dealers, they are expecting that the students should have some of the quality to dealing with the medical equipments. They need to be a practical exposures. They are not at all required for the bookies. Only the person is not able to speak to you in the dealership box. You must have some of the practical experience. My kind request is, don't go to the hospital for training. That is not at all a right place for you to gain much amount of knowledge on the instruments. Through the instruments only you can get placed in the tier 1 industry. So for that, hospital is not at all a best place for you to gain knowledge about the instruments. Demonstration part they explain. But internal circuits, operations and all the things you can able to gain from the industry or the internship, through the internship only. Okay, so this is the second point I can able to say you develop your practical exposures. Percentages are not at all play a role in your job. Okay, and then the third thing I can able to say is in ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited, I already told you, we have so many subsidiaries. In that, International 4 Years Biomedical Association is there. Kindly, if you are not getting a membership, kindly get the membership in a free of cost. Through the membership, you can get many number of advantages. Okay, and then we have the one more subsidiary is called BIOMEDICAL. So BIOMEDICAL is nothing but on behalf of ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited, we are soonly starting the certificate courses for the free of cost. Okay, you can go and learn that particular thing also. And then BioC5CIS. So BioC5CIS is nothing but a conference meet. So international conferences, national conferences, workshops, book publications, all these things we can able to do for the free of cost. So all these particular benefits you can able to get through ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited. And in the 4 Years Biomedical Association is concerned, marathon series is there, faculty development there, and then free webinar series is there. All these things are free of cost. Evening every day 7 o'clock you have some of the technical kind of knowledge sharing platform at ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited. Okay, kindly register for that and get a knowledge, gain a knowledge at least 1 hour per day through ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited. Thank you very much.